weekends to all of us. It's already Friday and it's weekends. Okay, so this is ayan, mga sweet yan. Mga sweet na meron ko ng dala ko. Yun ay dala ko. Ayan, yun yung dala ko. Yun yung dala. Ayan. That is for us. So now I make the, what's that, my avocado salad. Okay. So once again, thank you. Thank you very much. I put this one. That is good. That is good for the health. Sometimes, as what I'm telling, I buy that one in the supermarket. I buy in the supermarket, and it's not yet cold, ripe. But I stay. This one is almost 2 days, I think 2 days. So now it's okay na. Ayan. O, diba? Siya, ayan. I put the avocado and I put the watermelon with ice and the milk. And now I pour sugar. Pour the sugar. Like this one, I make a square button. Okay, and I remove this one. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you for watching, and my blessings upon us about me. Thank you for the sunblogger that you are still helping to me until now, from the beginning and until now. And good luck to the sunbloggers that you are already please. You are pleased. Okay, so thank you for my whole families. Angkan botsay ni nanay yun ni tatay. My only brother now, my niece, my mga apo sa tuod, mga niece, mga pinsan, sa mga pamangkin, sa mga relatives. Angkan sa hometown ko. Alam kong they already belong in the different kind of social media. So good luck. Thank you YouTube company, YouTube founder, YouTube workers and staff that you are doing hard, working hard to connect in your team that we belong. My small channel that what I have that I can belong to do one thing to as a small YouTuber. And I wish that is part of my journey while I'm still working and I'm still alive in this earth. Okay, so thank you nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world, to my madam and to our future coming little baby, and the family of madam and the family of Sir, friends, and the family of the husband of Madam Sams. That is the will of God, and God only knows our life that we're still living in this earth. Okay, so thank you again, and bye bye. God bless us all, and happy weekend.